So this is after big snowstorm, 45 centimeters snowfall last 2 days. Now I am showing you the road view and the city view after 45 centimeters snowfall. It is very nice. Everywhere you will see big white snow mountain. We are all under snow now. Our house is like I saw today morning backyard almost 5 to 6 feet snow. We are surrounding of snow now, and we are living under snow. But the main thing is we are all heated. Outside is minus 10-15 degree now, but inside home is 22-23 degree because we are running heating continue in our home. So this big truck, they are start cleaning snow. They are taking the snow and they are carrying outside of the city to make free the street and road. See, this is a big pile up all. This is all snow pile up here, and public bus, because and there is a lot of black ice under the snow on the street. If you make a hard brake, car is not stopping. It will skid, so you have to be very careful to drive. And this is our experience. I told a lot of time that those who are living in north side of the earth, in Siberia and Quebec, we are struggling with this kind of snow. So it's a lot of black ice under the white ice. Black ice means it is became a glass, so it's not visible. It's look like nothing, but this is very slippery. So this is the thing. And both of the street side is people only trying to keep clean their driveway. For living like me, you have to take out the car, you have to go if you have something. Today I am off, that's why I am in home. I have some appointment. I went clinic and doctor. So otherwise those who are working, they have to go to work early in the morning. They woke up and they clean parking lot and everything. And sometimes we are giving the private company, they are cleaning our driveway early in the morning. They are coming and they are cleaning. Otherwise you have to work a lot of time. This is on the right side is all pile up of big snow. Small Himalaya, like Himalaya. So this kind of scenery you cannot see always. Is very rarely happen, and this is a blessing also for this country and for the world also. If nature not active normally, it's not good for us. So see, this is all snow. We have to drive with a very passion because slippery. This is a red light. I have to respect the traffic law. So today is shiny, but outside is very cold. The sunshine have no power. In sometimes the sun It's very hot, but sometimes this sunshine is not working. It's cold, but its sunshine is clear. That's it only. But sun hot is not working. It's cold. This is lot of air outside. This is all snow.